Hey you guys, I'm Brittany. I'm back with another video, but watching all my videos, I have never actually properly introduced myself. So I'm Brittany. This is my channel, Dealing with Brittany, where you can come watch lifestyle videos, cooking, and videos of my badass kids. But anyway, I'm 33. I live in Iowa. I've lived here for about 16 years. I was originally born here, but then moved to other states and then came back as a teenager. I hate it here. I absolutely hate it here. Anyway, but this is my channel. So in this bowl, I've added garlic, lemon, and Italian seasoning. Then I'm going to cover the fish that I'm making with. I graduated from high school in Iowa. Then I got a CNA job, and I've been a CNA for the past 13 years. I'm using YouTube as an outlet just to get over some things that I've been going through in my life, just to try to focus this and recenter my life and get my life back to what it was before. But I'm also cutting up some onions to top this fish with. So here we're going to cut up the onions. We're going to season the fish up real good. I like to season my fish heavily. That's why I probably never have any fucking seasoning as it is. But I'm going to season it, I think, with garlic powder, onion powder. I use some paprika. When seasoning your fish or meat or whatever, make sure you get both sides of it so it's coated. Then I'm going to put the garlic and herb lemon mixture that I made and top the fish with this. Spread it out evenly if I can. Top it with lemons. On the other side, I topped it with lemons and then I put onions on them. That was for my husband. As you see here, these are the ones with the onions. And then you put it in the oven. Put it in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. I topped it with some butter.